The second model in the Tiara Sport lineup, the 34 LS, carries the functionality and heritage of luxury sport yachting set by its predecessor, the 38 LS. Complete with walk-around capabilities, outdoor galley, and convertible sun pad, captain and guests will enjoy multiple lounging spaces and social zones, offering relaxation and fun. Athletic, sleek styling combined with thrilling performance ensures one exciting day on the water after another. Join us aboard to experience and tour the Tiara Sport 34 LS. The portside entry and egress platform with handrail allows for safe boarding from raised dock access. The shore power receiver is located at the bottom of the portside steps. Customers may choose to accent the steps with optional faux teak decking. A starboard walkway complete with handholds for safety lead to the forward bow seating and entertaining area. The anchor is mounted through the stem and recessed. It can be deployed via switching at the helm or remotely adjacent to the anchor locker. Wraparound seating welcomes guests to the forward bow with elegance and comfort. Detailed stitching and luxurious upholstery come with your choice of vibrant accent color, providing a relaxing and stylish space for those aboard. Stereo entertainment, USB power ports, cup holders, and movable armrests complement this social zone. Stowed in dedicated storage under the forward bow seating, the bow table accents this entertaining space, providing room for guests to enjoy drinks or snacks. On the starboard side, just below the gunnel, finished fiberglass cutouts offer space to store fenders or lines. The optional fresh and raw water washdowns are also located in the fiberglass cutout. Accented with a modern accent color and detailed stitching, the helm seating may be enjoyed as a 3-wide bench, or captain and guests can take their individual place by opening the dedicated armrests. The port companion seat includes a fold-down footrest for additional comfort. The centerline helm seat adjusts electrically fore and aft with a simple switch, providing captain further comfort at the wheel. While at the helm, captains and guests are certain to appreciate the solid one-piece tempered safety glass window. Fully integrated into the hardtop, the window provides 100% visibility for safe operation, as well as enjoying scenic views while underway. The helm is accented with leather and teak finishes, as well as complementing detailed stitching showcasing craftsmanship and sport styling. Featuring the latest in marine electronics and mechanical component switching, captains will find the helm is presented in a consistent manner. The optional Tiara Premium Stereo System, supported by Fusion and JL Audio, includes controls at the helm within easy reach. On the dash, a fiberglass finish cutout provides ample space to hold sunglasses or other small items. All necessary navigational gear is purposefully located overhead. The forward hardtop above the helm features a skylight and opening hatch, providing plenty of light and air. Under the portside companion seat, guests will find a drawer unit refrigerator within easy reach for refreshments. Located under the starboard companion seat, guests will find dedicated storage for a 45-quart cooler. This thoughtful stowage space provides easy access without having to move the cooler for use. A sliding door at the port side of the helm paired with teak steps lead you below to the comfortable interior accommodations. A full-size athwartship berth with storage underneath provides space for overnighting. The private head features an integrated shower, as well as storage complemented by beechwood and Corian accents. Fabric details, LED lighting, and modern hardware balance the cabin's luxury sport aesthetics. LED lighting and speakers are housed in the fiberglass hardtop and accented with inlaid upholstered fabric panels. Complementing the athletic feel of the boat, the aft supports are designed into the hull side gunnels and add to the sport aesthetic. 2 JL audio speakers are located on each support. Accommodations in the outdoor galley include Corian countertop, sink, and dedicated trash compartment located on the port side. The starboard side reveals an ample storage space. Install the optional cockpit TV into a dedicated receiver located within the countertop to enhance the onboard entertainment package. The aft cockpit seating and social zone is a key innovation on the 34 LS and provides numerous accommodations. Transformational seating slides fore and aft, offering options for dining, lounging, and enjoyment while underway. Bench seating with storage below provides accommodations for multiple guests while underway. The optional table can be installed to create a dining space. Customers may choose to upgrade the table to high-gloss teak. The large chaise sun pad offers guests a comfortable place to lounge and enjoy sunshine or sunsets. Deploy the optional make-fast-powered sunshade with a simple switch for additional comfort while enjoying the aft seating arrangements. With the aft seat in the forward position, guests will appreciate plenty of space to easily move throughout the cockpit and enjoy the water. The sport feel of the boat continues on the transom with the optional removable ski tow pylon. Walkways and access to the water are located both port and starboard. The excess floor space revealed in front of the engines and the port and starboard wings, along with the telescoping boarding ladder, provide for an easy point of entry and egress for water sport activities. Customers may choose to enhance this space with optional faux teak decking. Access through a single cockpit floor hatch, the machinery compartment reveals space to service major components, filters, and bilge pumps. The optional generator is within easy reach, and the optional Seakeeper SK2 gyro has a mounting location below. With a focus on luxury sport yachting, the Tiara Sport 34 LS offers a sophisticated vessel ready to meet the demands of day yachting. Customers may choose to further enhance the sport styling of the 34 by optioning to paint their new vessel. Functionality, comfort, and purposeful details elevate this craft into a league of its own. Your favorite ports are within easy reach with a 200-mile range. Powered by twin Mercury 400 Verado engines, captain and guests will enjoy a thrilling ride and exhilarating performance, including a top speed of 51 miles per hour. Experience the latest innovation and luxury sport performance from Tiara aboard the 34 LS. Visit tiarasport.com or stop by your local factory-authorized Tiara Sport dealer today.